In front of me is Doogee S Punk, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then click on one of your themes. Tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to switch them off or on and hit apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, go back to the same settings. Use this plus icon under my themes and click on the photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Like this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you're ready, select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!